Who is the new middle school principal, Mr. Hip? I am sure several students and parents have been asking that question as this past school year has come to a close. Let me introduce myself. I am Mr. Hip. My wife Stacy and I have been happily married for 18 years, and we have 2 kids, Brock, who's 12, and Britton, who's 10. I will be starting my 20th year in education. I taught math and science for 8 years at Clearwater High School and coached football, basketball, golf, and baseball during those years. After obtaining my master's degree in administration, I accepted a position at Rose Hill Middle School as an assistant principal athletic director. I stayed for 5 years when I finally decided to pursue a principal's position. I landed at Garden Plain Elementary, a K-8 building. After 4 years, I determined I wanted to get back to the secondary level. The past 2 years, I have been in the Valley Center School District serving as an assistant principal at the high school. I look forward to serving the parents and students of Valley Center Middle School this coming school year. As we begin this school year, please remember that this is your school and we welcome your involvement. Since we recognize that parents are their children's first and most important teachers, we need your cooperation and involvement to provide your child with the best education possible. We encourage you to visit the school often and play an active role in your child's academic success. I would like to extend the offer to you to become involved by joining the Middle School Junior Booster Club, formerly known as the Parent Brigade. The Middle School Junior Booster Club is a group for anyone. Our mission is to help Valley Center Middle School be the best middle school in the area. This group will support various classroom school activities, as well as support our extracurricular activities, run the middle school concessions, and be utilized as a sounding board for the middle school initiatives. I look forward to getting to know the parents and students this coming school year. As for now, I hope you continue to enjoy your summer break. Thank you.